In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 3, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. All you need to do is open settings and scroll all the way down to choose additional settings. Then one-handed mode and gray switcher to activate it. Lastly, just follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, swipe up or click on this area. To switch off one-handed mode completely, use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!